What's Slinky doing? Slinky come over when it cooled off a little bit. Too hot for him to come during the day. He'll go over and check his catnip out. See if how excited he gets after his catnip. Oh, he's eating quite a bit. We're going to have a stimulated cat. He actually let me pet him before he got his catnip today. I think he's playing psychological games with me. I think, what do you call it, that he'll treat me nice first. He normally goes for the catnip first. He's really chowing down out there. I don't know if we're going to have a problem cat after eating all that. Oh, you got something to play with now. Can't resist. He's been eating on that catnip almost 2 minutes now. We're going to have to stay, see what he does. 2 minutes of catnip might be too much. He seen something fly by. He was looking at it. Some bug flying around or something. I was going to cut that branch off, but he rubs against it so much. Better leave it for him. I got one dead branch right there he's rubbing against. Yeah, he's had enough. What? Yeah, there you go. I knew you needed to do that. Yeah, what you doing? Uh-huh. You gonna roll around from your catnip? Huh? What? Look at you. Excuse me. Look at you. Huh? Look at you. Yeah. Can't pet you. Yeah. You could get me, huh? You could play with me. You get me. Yeah. You want me bugging you, huh? You just did. You just tried to get me with your front feet. Ah. Yeah. Just that's catnip, huh? Well, let's see if he uses. What are you doing? Huh? I put a chair in the corner for him where he doesn't have to jump so hard. See if he uses it. Or if he, which route he's gonna go tonight. I want to see if he uses the chair I put in the corner for he can jump on the chair then up. But he might. He's gonna go on down, do his regular route where he goes to the front of the house. All right, where'd he go? Oh, he's got something. He found something back there. What are you doing? Huh? Oh, got all kinds of things to chase, huh? Got leaves. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What you doing? I'm gonna come up here and sit in your chair. I'm gonna sit in your chair. I'm sitting in his chair with his blanket and his cushion. He hadn't been using it lately. Oop. Cherry, those are cherries off the tree. I think the catnip kicked in a little bit. I got those chairs on the grass for when the sprinklers come on to wash them off. Been sitting here getting dirty all winter. He's definitely filling his catnip. Well, he might be heading out. Sometimes he goes under the fence over there. Yep. Yeah, maybe not. That's it for today. If you enjoyed these Slinky videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in and visiting with Slinky today.